Coinciding with the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday launched the Drug Free Meghalaya App. In the program held in the city, Sangma handed over the drug detection kits to Anti-Narcotics Task Force, felicitated NGOs, individuals and ANTF for their efforts against drug abuse, besides releasing the song Turn the Tide by Khasi Vibes. Gracing the occasion, Sangma said that the government is making concerted efforts to make Meghalaya a drug-free state. The Chief Minister urged the department to continue their good work to control and end the menace of drug abuse in the state.
Ensuring that rehabilitation and empathy and other awareness programs also become part of it, and also to see how we could have rehabilitation centers in different parts of the state, and more importantly have programs even after the rehabilitation, so that we can ensure that those who are addicted to drugs can come out of it successfully with a lot of attention and a lot of care.
A day after a